number on a ramp from the 105 to the 110 freeway in this 2016 film. Male.
Was La La Land.
Correct.
21st Century 1000.
What does I drink your milkshake have to do with oil? Drainage. We learned from Daniel Day-Lewis in this 2007 film. Elizabeth.
What is their lucky plug?
You had 1,000.
Terrible bill for 200.
A trump card. The High Priestess is also known as the Papess, or female this. Mikey.
What is Pope?
Female Pope is correct, taking you to $600 and bringing us to our first break. We'll come right back after this.
Yeah, Chrissy's so cute. Why, I can't? Why, you want me to stop?
Hi, Eric.
I know. Is now good for a quick catch up on your plan.
Yes, that was great.
What do you think about the reason why I'm taping them?
Has anything changed since we last
Should I
spoke?
save the pasta or
You know
check
what?
it tonight?
Yes, I'm thinking more long term.
Great. We'll make that change to your plan.
Oh, it's me why I'm taping him?
Helps a lot.
I know.
Because he's cute.
Make sense of your money.
What do you think about the reason why?
It's the Get Holiday Ready sales event with the Ford Black Friday.
The extra shipment of Ford trucks and SUVs.
Serious SUV capability.
Ford F-Series, best-selling trucks for 47 years.
Bronco and Bronco Sport. I can smell the adventure now.
Just looking at me like, yes? Why are you taping me?
Returning lessees hurry in today's Lisa 2025 Ford
Because you're
Explorer.
cute, that's why I'm taping you.
36 months, only at your local Ford stores.
At St. Francis Heart Center, we're not just regional heart experts. We share our greater success with the world. We don't just pioneer technology. We do it more than anywhere on Greater Long Island. And we don't just win awards. We deliver greater outcomes for people like you. As new Sony Specialty Designated Cardiac Center, we're not satisfied with just being good. This is Long Island. This is St. Francis Heart Center. And Greater lives here.
I'm a baby. Baby. Cry more that baby. You want more?
Your ticket to winning the season gives a chance to win up to $1 million with holiday scratch-off games from the New York Lottery.
Promotional consideration provided by Lovesac, rewriting the rules of comfort.
You want more?
For over 25 years, Lovesac has been rewriting the rules of
There you
comfort.
go.
It's okay to change your style.
More.
Get messy. Get immersed. With Lovesac, you make the rules. Mayhall Shaw is a software engineer from Seattle that